Are you guys sick of unnecessary slips and falls due to wet surfaces? Well, I found the answer. It's the SlipDoctor floor grip, and it comes with everything you need: the sealer, the crosslinker, and the additive. And for my application, I only need a short little amount, so I mixed 8 ounces of the sealer with 1 tablespoon of the additive and a little bit of the crosslinker. And you want to make sure that you mix thoroughly so that you see no air bubbles. And then once that's done, you can pour it into your paint tray. And when you're ready for application, you're going to grab your 3/8" roller that came with the package, and you're going to start applying. You want to go forward and backwards and keep doing it, and then do it at 90s as well. And after you apply a good amount of mixture all around the covered area, then it's time to wait 6 to 12 hours for light traffic areas and 12 to 24 hours for heavy traffic. And for my project, I applied one last generous coat, and then I was good to go. And while it was dry after about 4 hours, I still waited the optimal 24 hours. You'll be amazed how this easy to apply coating will help prevent slips and falls. Go check out SlipDoctor Floor Grip.